Here's how to use the COSRX Advanced Snail Mucin. Step by step, let's begin. Step 1. Cleanse. Splash your face with lukewarm water to soften your skin. Take a pea-sized amount of the COSRX Advanced Snail Mucin Gel Cleanser onto wet hands and lather it. Gently massage your face in circular motions for 60 seconds. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Step 2. Essence. Choose either the COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence or the COSRX Advanced Snail Radiance Dual Essence. If you're looking for intense hydration, soothing, and calming properties, opt for the Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. For added brightening and pore control, go with the Snail Radiance Dual Essence. Apply a few drops of your chosen essence to your damp face and neck. Gently massage until absorbed. Moisturize. Scoop out a moderate amount of the COSRX Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream. Apply the cream across your face and gently massage. Pat gently for better absorption. Step 4. Eye Cream. For those with concerns about dark circles, puffiness, or fine lines, dispense a small amount of the COSRX Advanced Snail Peptide Eye Cream to your ring finger. Place small dots like this to your under eye area. Gently massage in a circular motion. Remember, consistency is key to seeing skincare results. Thank you for watching.